Since Friday was the first day of May, we're going to learn how to make our own personal calendar. As always, you need to gather some supplies to get you started. To start, we need to draw 6 rows or 6 boxes down. That means that each line will be underneath the line before it. You can either use a ruler or something nice and straight, or you can try to do it by hand without any help. I chose not to use a ruler. My lines are a little wiggly, but I like it that way. Before I drew my lines, I decided where I was going to put them. I started with my middle line first. That divided my paper in half. Then I added the other lines. Now, since there are 7 days in the week, I need to draw 7 lines all the way across, making enough boxes for all of the days in the month. I can use a ruler or I can freehand. Before you start, it's a good idea to decide where your lines are going to go by making a small mark. As you can see, I've been drawing in pen. I have my 7 lines across. Do you see a problem? Ugh, that's right. My 7th column is much wider than my other columns. This is a huge mistake. What am I going to do to fix this? Aha! Instead of starting over, I think I have an idea that could work. Starting over would mean that I'd have to waste paper. So instead, I drew an extra column and added some decorations. Remember, mistakes can be difficult, but there's usually a way to figure out how to fix or change them. Now I can add events to my calendar, like Mother's Day on May 10th. I can also color and decorate. I've finished coloring and added more events, but I still feel like something's missing. When I look up at the top where it says May 2020, I see that I have a lot of empty space. What could I add to fill this space? As you can see, I decided to add circles. That way it fills some of my empty space. I also added more events. The last step is to hang your calendar so it can be used. You can always add events as the month goes on. What will your calendar look like? Will you make one for June as well? I hope you enjoyed getting organized by making your own calendar. Don't forget to post to Instagram and tag the art room. I miss you!